Hello friends. Recently, 2 days ago, I buy a RAPOO mechanical keyboard. Mm, its version is like this. You can see it's quite a nice keyboard, and I absolutely love it. And its price in our Taka 4,500. Uh, but the shopper seller gives some discount, and he give me 500 taka discount for this mechanical keyboard. Oh my god. Okay, guys, in this keyboard there is some problem I have figured out. When I typing from this keyboard, suddenly it electrocuted me for some reason. So I checked it out with a tester, and when you see it, you will be surprised too, like mine. So if you look at the border, this keyboard has a nice silky metallic border all over the keyboard, and it absolutely looking great, but the downfall is it bypasses the electricity. Everywhere you see the metallic frame from this keyboard, mechanical keyboard. It's a RAPOO keyboard actually. So if I show it with this tester, you can see how this is doing. So when I touch this tester on that metallic frame, you can see it's bypasses the electricity. Okay, I'm showing you in close format, so you can see what's going on. Okay, guys, so if I touch it, it absolutely electrocuted me. It's quite a harsh thing. I didn't able to type properly from this keyboard because it's struck me. So if I show it here, okay, you can see it. So this is a downfall. Okay, so I would recommend this keyboard. So please guys, if anyone wants to buy this keyboard, remember this keyboard will electrocute you. Okay, so thanks guys. So be aware of, this is a RAPOO keyboard and this is the version. Okay, and if I show the side panel, it's showing this. So if I show it this side, you can see it. It's the same keyboard. So I should return this keyboard. I don't know the seller accept it or not. If he did not accept it, okay, then this is my loss. I invested a nice keyboard, but I give nothing in return. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Sorry guys, I forget to mention when the PC wakes up, this electricity bypass also happens. So you can see the keyboard is on, my monitor is also on. sorry guys. Okay, and if I type something, you can say this keyboard is working properly. There's no doubt. This is a nice keyboard. The sound is good, but the problem is the same. You can say if I touch with the tester in these areas, okay, you can see here it still bypasses the electricity. Okay, look at it. So if your finger touches it, you can get electrocuted. Okay, they have the same issue. So you can see everywhere I touch with the tester, the electric bypasses happen. So guys, beware of this keyboard. It's not a functional keyboard. Okay.